is what you did. You used that as a point of contact. Now, give her back. I call on fire from heaven. I call on fire from heaven. Whosoever did this, whosoever did this, I release the brother from that water. I release the sister from that water. I release even the twin sister from that water. I release them. I release them. I release them. You evil spirit, I come against you. There's no name that is greater than the name of Jesus. What you did in this family shall be restored now. I release the twin sister. Where she is at the hospital, she has now given birth. Everything you have gotten from them, you shall give them back. And you shall not sleep until you call them to give them what belongs to them. I give you only but 4 days. 4 days. You know yourselves, the three of you. I give you 4 days. If you don't return, I speak to the soil. How you are going to swallow them if they don't bring the properties? Family. I make judgments. 3 days, if you don't return their properties, you don't return the health of the family, you don't return their finances. Jesus' name. That it is done. Heaven has opened upon you.